established Global South Network on 17 March 2023. As of today, it is the only international interdisciplinary network that we organized and moderated the guest talk of Honourable Justice Ali Mohanna, President Supreme Constitutional Court of Palestine on Tuesday, 7th of May 2024. Today, I am honored to have Honourable Justice Ruth Ronnen, the Supreme Court of Israel, as our guest speaker during the Judges Guest Lecture Series of the Global South Network.
Judges, to my opinion, should not be politicians. There is one good thing to say about being a judge is that when you make a decision, there is always one party who would say that this decision is right. There is always one party who nods, and I can hear him saying to himself, wow, this judge is so intelligent. What he's saying is completely correct. The bad news is that there is another party which says out loud or maybe think in their heart that this judge doesn't know what she's talking about, she's completely wrong. This is the way things go when there is a controversy. Judging is all about dealing with controversies. I am not afraid of controversies. We do read newspapers, we hear the news, the internet, I sometimes even read talkbacks, and we are aware of the public voice, and it's okay to be aware of the voices that are heard outside the court. It's okay, and it's even important to be aware of it, because the way to not be affected by popular demand is, first of all, to be aware of the popular demand, and then to be cautious and to make sure that this demand is not what leads us, what leads me to reach a certain decision and not another decision. Because what should lead me to reach a certain decision and not another decision is the law. Sometimes there are demonstrations just outside my window, and I hear them, I actually hear them. And I know that there are demonstrations that would be in favor of one sort of a decision, and maybe other demonstrations that would be in favor of another sort of a decision. All of these demonstrations are legitimate, but my decision, by going through legal analysis.
How do you see the difference between today's Supreme Court of Israel and the one during the Chief Justiceship of Aaron Barak in terms of the court's ability to protect human rights and public support?
This Chief Justice used to say, the court is the house of justice and not the house of justices. Meaning, we're not just specific people making decisions disregarding the decisions of each other. We are one institution.
What main lessons do you think the legal systems or higher judiciaries in other countries should learn from the Supreme Court of Israel and its decisions?
Wow, I thought you were going to say the other way, what we should learn from other legal systems.